This is the Elliot from HeartHero. It's an incredibly small, lightweight portable defibrillator. It's superb. We've currently got it on offer at HeartHero Medical at the moment for only $594 plus VAT, so it's really affordable. Here at HeartHero Medical, we've got the latest in defibrillator technology here to show you today. This is the Elliot from HeartHero. It's an incredibly small, lightweight portable defibrillator. When you compare it to one of the original G3 cardiac science defibs, you can see how much smaller it is compared to this, or even something like a more recent, something like a LifePak CR2. Again, it's still a much smaller device. Even its profile on the side, it's significantly smaller in all sizes. This is a fully automatic defibrillator, so there's no shock button. It's great for lay people to use in a rescue. It's also highly portable. It weighs only 600 grams, so if you kind of run walking tours or go out biking, or even if you kind of a high risk category and you want it as a domestic defib, keeping it in your home, taking it on holiday with you, it's absolutely perfect for that. So it comes with an optional nice little case. The great thing in here, you can have spare batteries in here, it can have spare pads in here, all together, but the device itself is even smaller when you take it out of the case. It's a really neat little unit. So it runs on the Duracell 123 batteries. That's the same as the Zoll AED Plus defibrillator. Only takes 4 of these batteries. The nice thing is that these are only £20 odd to replace, so they're really affordable. You can have a spare set in there. You can easily take them out if you're travelling and you need to for airport restrictions, so the device is powered down during travel. And then the pads last 4 years, so you're getting a really excellent pad life from them. The pads, again, they're only £75 to replace, so they're not going to break the bank. So if I turn it on, you can have a listen to what it sounds like. So you've got a really nice big power button here. You press that.
Pull red handle and slide the pads out.
So at the bottom, this is where the pads come out.
If patient is less than 55 pounds or 25 kilograms, press child button.
So it's
open pad pouch and separate from blue liner.
So I'll just turn that off a second so we can continue to talk. So it's got child mode built in.
Turning off.
Child mode built in, which is superb. All modern defibrillators now have this adult child mode built in. It also comes with 2 different languages built in. You can change this on an app which comes with it, so it's really intuitive to use with the app. You can run through training videos on the app, so you can get an idea of how to use it in an emergency. You can set the languages, so if you're a bilingual family or you have a bilingual workforce, you can have 2 different languages built in here, and you've just got the simple language button here which will swap between those 2 languages at the moment you turn it on. You can also see where the device actually is located, so this has got a little GPS unit in, and when you look on the app it will show you its last known location. So it has a SIM card built into it. It's all part of the data plan, it's all included in the price, so you're not having to pay kind of a monthly subscription or anything for it, but it will actually communicate when it can. It relies on a network which doesn't have 100% UK coverage yet, so you can also connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. So if you haven't got signal where you live on its network, then you can just pair it with your phone and it will update all the information, get any software downloads it needs. So it's a really it really brings defibrillators into the modern world with how we're kind of used to working and everything. The pads here, they come on the lead. They're quite small pads, but they're exactly what's required to kind of deliver the shock to the body. And this device itself, it's made in America, so it was originally kind of had the American military in mind. They wanted a small, light, portable defibrillator, so it's a really well-built, good quality device. And that's basically everything about it. It's superb. We've currently got it on offer at HeartHero Medical at the moment for only $594 plus VAT, so it's a really affordable for such a modern, advanced defibrillator. It's a really great price. The other nice thing about it is it can go down to -20 degrees, so you haven't got all the restrictions that you normally have with defibrillators about the restrictions of storage. You can leave it in your car all year round. You can kind of put it in insulated cabinets instead of heated cabinets if you've got restrictions there. As with all normal things with defibrillators, if you can keep it at a more consistent temperature, it's better for the battery life and it's better for the defib overall. But the manufacturers are happy with this to go down to -20, which is again kind of completely new to the defibrillator market. Check out our website and check out our other videos for how to maintain other makes and models of defibs.